Okay, I've really improved the capability of this grasshopper file here so that it's much easier to specify the parameters governing the shape of this tide pipe. Now I've baked this one so that you can see the biaxial windings of the braiding here. Notice how they're more densely packed up there. I've got that governed by this function in the model. So I'll need to show you this. Wait a second. If I turn off these layers here and turn back on these, I can show you that the density of where they lie can change depending on how you wrap this. So I can have them all set up to one end or all packed in the middle mostly, or out to the edges, as I think I prefer it because they're going to be inherently looser out there. So up this way is where you can see how many blades you'd have per ring. You change that live there. I guess depending on a whole bunch of parameters you can set that higher. You've got your ring sizes here, so we can chop it right down. Obviously I'd have to change the size of the pipe going inside that. We'll go back to the original as I had it. You can change the spacing across that pipe, so that's that pipe dragging just from a surface in tide there. So if I was to change the spacing of where those blades are on here, you can move them up or down, or you can start right at the top, or I've squashed them to the middle there. Obviously, again, I think I'd probably have it sort of more the way I had it to start with. And you can set the number that you're working with there. So we'll boost it up, set a few more in. This parameter here is just how Grasshopper's interpreting the smoothness function division of a curve that I've set. That this, you can see that bit of curve up there. It determines the profile between here. Pull that back down so the model works a wee bit faster. And here's the diameter of the central pipe. I've got that set in Grasshopper at the moment. I'm in Rhino, sorry, there it is. Now you've got the curve as well. If I delete that pipe just now, I'll get rid of that. You can change what's going on there if I can pause you a second. So here's the messing with that pipe, the whole overall curve function. You can pull the points about and mess it around any which way you like. And we should keep having our crazy pipe over that. It's quite good. Somehow I don't think that's quite what I was going for. Have a play with it. Let me know what you think.